What up, KK fam? I'm Kiddo.
I'm Kimmo.
And we are Kiddo and Kimmo. And this is Jordan. Say hi, mama.
Say hi.
Say hi, mama.
Say hi, Jordan.
Alright guys, first off, we want to apologize for not posting. We had a minor setback, very minor setback.
Yeah.
But hopefully we'll be back on track now. As of now, we'll be posting on every Tuesday and Saturday. So make sure you tune in, make sure your post notification bell is on. First of all, before we even start this video, do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, like, comment. All of that, know what I mean? Dropping the bangers. Alright guys, we're about to get started on the flaming hot Cheeto wings. As you can see, we already have our meat here. And I tell them what we season it with.
Okay guys, so inside what we put inside, we have red pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic and onion seasoning, and we have the Sazon complete seasoning, and I added some green seasoning, which is like scallion, peppers, and all those extra stuff. You can always YouTube and see like how we do it, but all that is added in here. He'll be crushing this up. You're gonna use a blender, or I'll do it. Do you wanna do it?
Alright y'all, so I don't know. Flaming hot Cheeto, yes, one of it is open. Kimberly say I eat all, but she didn't realize that she was eating at the same time I was eating. Obviously, blame the man, obviously, but I'll be using a blender, so we'll just. Alright, so this is what it looked like after I finished blending it. So we want to go back to Kimberly now.
I'll let the water dry a little bit because I washed it out. And I'm going to be adding some parsley to my flour. Yes. Okay guys, so he's done blending the Cheetos, so I'm gonna, the oil is hot right now, so I'm gonna, put the wings in. What I did was, I like sliced up the wings a little so it can be marinated. I'll be dipping the chicken wings in butter, melted butter, so it can stick to the Cheetos, and we're gonna be baking it after. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and we'll be placing it in the oven for about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Flaming hot Cheeto wings. So this little sauce here, I just freestyle this. It had some sugar, butter, salt, paprika, something, black pepper, parsley. I think that was it. Yeah, just whip it up. You know, me a little sweet and spicy kind of sauce. You know what I mean?
And then we have some carrots around the plate.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some more in there right now. Alright. Ready? Alright, so we get into the day again. Let me start. Oh.
We only have legs.
No, we are wing.
We have wing. We do. Oh, we have like one wing. But I like legs. I rather legs.
Baby.
We did that.
We have done it again.
We did that.
It is a banger. Baby. We have done it again. It is a banger. This is another one for the books. Because this...
How do you like the Cheetos on it?
oh my God.
You like the Cheetos on it?
Yes.
It's crunchy.
I don't know if it's the sauce. What if I can make it all the sauce? That's no. Hey, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Nice, everything. It's everything. It's the sauce. It's the
There's a lot of different ways to make this, but with the butter, which is his idea, is everything. We use the butter just to have it stick to the Cheetos, and baking it is the best way. Baking it is the best way. Some people do a batter and then they fry it and then that's it. But I rather it baked. This is so good. Like the meat is tender. It's crunchy the way I like it. Come on, man.
Yo, you know what crazy? When Kimberly came to me with this idea, I was like, oh gosh, you know me and spicy food. You know I don't like spicy food. But this, oh my. Oh.
We will be posting the recipe and how we did it. So you guys can try it.
Nah.
I'll be making this again.
We have to post the recipe for this, because yo.
Make sure you shine that bone, feel me? What is that?
I ain't done. I ain't done.
Come on, man.
I'm gonna bring it all close. I got some. I know plenty of you guys probably saying we double dip in. I don't know if chip in this.
Nikki.
Oh, huh?
Hello.
Have a little spice, but it's bearable. Do it again, babe. So I have some celery. Some celery, we're not busy. Melting. Try this out. So I have some celery. Nah, man. Really boiled egg. You know me, I like my boiled egg with everything. A little boiled egg with this and some celery.
Some Cheeto dust.
Yeah, then, what are we thinking? Who are we footing it?
Chef K&K.
Ooh. Yeah.
Woo.
Ako toligwa. Hey, what is this? Oh my God. It is beautiful. Magnificent. You go fight for when you reach the last one. You go fight for the last one. I'm sure of that. You go fight. Doggy. Kaya kaya sus. This car, I don't want to like Burger King, you know. We see this car.
Sweet.
Well, this sauce. I should make a video on how I make this sauce, because this sauce.
Honestly, I feel full. How many wings did I have? 3.
That's your 4th one. I had 4. She wicked to leave this out. Oh, this weekend? I was not expecting this to taste like this. I was not expecting it. But she came to me with the idea and I was like, oh, that's so whack, that's so... I'd even eat like flaming hot Cheetos like as a snack. I'd even eat it so. But this, jeez. What?
I'm definitely making more because this tastes really good.
What?
You get a bite. Hey. Nothing went in my mouth.
Is she smart? Oh boy.
This was delicious.
Speechless, 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 speechless. We'll definitely post the video, preparing it with this video, because I really need to know how to go. This is one recipe you need to know. It's a little spicy, but
I have a kick to it.
Yeah.
It's not because I did put cayenne pepper. You guys will see. Like I added extra spice to it, and it's still not that hot. So.
But I, for one, I don't like spicy food. This, thumbs up. So guys, you know, do us a huge favor. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you haven't already, just go view the recent videos, the past videos, go and view them. Give them a thumbs up as well. You know what I mean? Show us the love. I will continue to make videos that you all like. So let us know in the comments, you know what I mean, what you all want to see, what you all want us to do.
What we should try
What
next.
we should try. If you all want to see more pranks, don't worry.
Someone did mention to make a Caribbean dish. Which
Yeah, she was like
might
Jamaican, do like Jamaican stuff. And
we
I
might
mean,
just do something like
we'll get to it.
Amsterdam.
But watch out for them pranks because your boy have something up his sleeves. And you see she catch me, she catch me, she catch me. Alright, cool. Team Kimmo, alright, Team Kimmo.
All the way.
But Team Kiddo, just bear with me a little bit. A little bit. Just bear with me a little bit. Trust and believe. This next one, we're gonna mash up everything. But that's it for this video. We out, guys. Peace.